Hello friends, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. Have you seen our Paris trip videos? How did you feel? Truly we had a great time in the Paris for 4 days. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel by clicking on bell icon. Moog surprised us by bringing here for brunch to South Indian cuisine restaurant in Paris. Missed our spicy food almost a week now. Hope we will have a nice dishes here. After our brunch here at Muniandi Villas, an Indian restaurant located in 10th arrondissement of Paris, leaving to Amsterdam, Netherlands by train. Oh, so nice. Gare du Nord means North Station, one of the 7 largest mainline railway station terminal in Paris. From here you can take trains to northern France as well as international destinations like Belgium, Germany, the Netherlands and the United Kingdom. Located in the north part of Paris, in the 10th arrondissement of Paris, it also connects to Paris Metro, RER and buses, one of the busiest railway station in Europe. After waiting for more than an hour, we have boarded Eurostar high-speed train at 4:15 p.m. Travel time is about 3 hours 30 minutes. Arrived here at 7:45 p.m. Amsterdam's Central Station, the main and largest railway station. It connects to many domestic and international cities. Paris to Amsterdam train journey. Wow, amazing. Reached Hotel Meininger at Juliana Plain, very close to Amstel metro station. Got our room keys, a very spacious room with 2 bed plus 2 bunkers bed for sharing 4 people, attached washroom, looks very neat and clean. Good morning, view from our hotel room. This is Amstel metro station, very close to Meininger Hotel. This station is opened in 1939, located to the southeast of Amsterdam Central. We are here in the sandwich shop Lange Broestig, Amsterdam. Nice and cozy place. We tried croissants, grill, sandwich, espresso coffee. Nice and delicious food. Enjoyed it. After having our breakfast, it is time to explore more about Amsterdam, capital city of Netherlands. Cycling is primary and most preferred mode of travel, and there are numerous dedicated cycling paths are here. Amsterdam, known for its famous for picturesque canals. There are about 165 canals and its total length comes to about 75 kilometers. There are 1281 bridges that crosses the canals in the city. Oh my god, so many cycles. Cycle mania. We should start like a rider mania in Goa, no? Here Amsterdam cycle mania we should start. Only cyclists. It is raining now. Weather is pleasant and beautiful because we can see clear bright blue sky one side and the darkest clouds on the other side with beautiful rainbow. Amsterdam originated as a small fishing village in 13th century. To protect themselves from floods, the early inhabitants built dikes on both sides of river, and about 1270 they built a dam between these dikes. Amsterdam is famous for its historic architecture, vibrant culture. Some iconic attractions are the Anne Frank House, Van Gogh Museum, Red Light District. We are joining 2 hours Amsterdam walking tour.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Alright, so 17.
Dam Square. Important sightseeing sites are Royal Palace, the Neo-Gothic New Church, the National Monument memorializing the Dutch victims of World War II, the Bureus van Berlage Concert Hall. Civic Guard Gallery and future century-old group portraits of members of the Civic Guards. AFC, Ajax Football Club official merchandise shop. Annos 1574 begin of entrance. Most of the houses are installed hook on top of the building so they can attach pulleys and then use rope to lift object into the house. Some houses are leaning forward so that when objects are being picked up they won't scrap or damage the front of the house. Begin of one of the oldest office, a group of historic buildings, mostly private dwellers, center on it. Former women's religious community with houses and a serene courtyard dating to the 14th century. Medieval courtyard that was once home to a devout Catholic sisterhood and a 17th century chapel. The church, English Reformed Church since 1607, with architecture and a famous replica organ, one of the oldest building in the Amsterdam.
Dutch cuisine is not, those two words don't really go together. That's where your kitchen is usually, or yeah, when this was built, that was until about the 1800s. That's where your kitchen usually was.
The statue of Queen Wilhelmina, Rückin Street at the corner with Lange Boostig Ali, sculpted in bronze by Teresa R. van der Pant and commissioned by Amsterdam Contact Group of Women Organization in 1964. The Houdezits Oer Bergwal Street and Canal in De Wallen in the center of Amsterdam. It is one of the most famous street of red light district. The canal is also lined with monumental canal houses from Dutch golden age and the remains of many monasteries that were located here in the Middle Ages. Started walking tour from Dam Square at 10:30 am and ended the tour at 12:30 pm near Dam Straat and Houdezits Oer Bergwal Canal Bridge. Sampurna Indonesian cuisine at Sinjal, Amsterdam. Inside the restaurant's nice ambience, food we ordered was very nice and delicious. Enjoyed the dessert very much. Trvelled and Kaskeldar cheese shops situated in the beautifully restored Dutch East India Company warehouse D. Enrak on Sinjal. Best cheese shops in Amsterdam. Flower Market Sinjal. Colorful, picturesque beauty dates back to 1862 and remains just as important to the city along with windmills, bikes and canals. Tulips are centerpiece of Amsterdam's image. Started raining, need to stop, walk and take shelter. Decided to have coffee here in Cough and Brown, Culver Passage, Sinjal. Trams are moving here at Central Station. We are walking towards the flagship Canal Cruise boat stand. We have booked tickets online for flagship Amsterdam Canal Cruise and departure from Central Station. Duration is 1 hour. The Canal Cruise go through Amsterdam's unique UNESCO listed canals as standard. Boat cruising through the beautiful houseboats moored along the Prinsengracht, passing under iconic skinny bridge, Meininger Brook via Amstel River, then cruise towards 7 iconic bridges that connects Amsterdam's main canal, Heringgracht, Keizersgracht and Prinsengracht. Amsterdam Canal doesn't have any fixed route, so let us experience the Amsterdam Canal Cruise.
Yes, perfect.
You just want the tour, that's also fine. And if you just want one drink at some point, also fine. If cheese over there is Dutch, it's called Gouda or Gouda in English. There is also the city Gouda in the country. And there are two types, the young one and the aged one. So the one that is a bit darker, it matured longer and has also extra character. And on the side there is mustard to bring some spice. Drinks, we have wines. This is Merlot. I like it. There is a big culture of biking. Also, yeah, you can park your bike for free. It's quite easy. If you have a car, not too much expensive, that it's affordable. Without paying a rent. How good is that? Now back behind the houseboats, you have.
The canals, other things do that too, and including cars. So as they say, there used to be about 50 cars a year diving to the canals of Amsterdam. And that happened mostly because drivers forgot about stop everywhere on the canals where cars are parked in the canal. So to our left is a parallel parking area and there is no rails, you can see.
Cruising in the evening with the cheese and wine and watching the dazzling lights of city reflection upon waterway, amazing. Came to Central Station and boarded metro to Hotel Meininger, Amstel. After our morning coffee at Meininger Hotel, we just took a walk around neighborhood. Nice, beautiful locality with lush green environment. Nice feeling in the morning. The Hallen shopping mall, the building where once the first electric trams were serviced here, now center for cinema, local market and food hall. Lots of choices for food with international cuisine. We like the place very much.
Do some nice tricks with this hat. Let me show you one trick before I play the music. When the center of my head, all you guys snap, chill, whistle, make some noise. I'll feel the energy and then we start the show. Are you guys with me? Say yeah!
Museum Courtier, high profile cultural institution, Ring Museum Plain Square, the home to the three most important museums in the Netherlands, the Rijksmuseum, the Stedelijk Museum and the Van Gogh Museum. Moko Museum, dedicated to exhibiting modern and contemporary art, hence the name Moko. The museum was founded in 2016 with the mission of attracting broader and younger audiences and making art accessible to the public. Van Gogh Museum is a Dutch art museum dedicated to the artworks of Vincent van Gogh. Stedelijk Museum, appearance of large bathtub showing international modern and design. De Goer is a windmill located between Vanenkede and G-Burgerstraat. It is the tallest wooden windmill in the Netherlands at 26.6 meters high. It is registered as a national monument. Opened in 1814, once served as a flour mill. Brewery IJ, next to a windmill, opened in 1985, brews 12 standard beers and 3 seasonal beers. The brewery logo features an ostrich with an egg and a distant windmill. Day is ended with our dinner at Purnama restaurant. Cool and pleasant outside. Sarla is watching outside through hotel room. See here, most of the two-wheelers and bicycles are grounded due to yesterday night heavy rain and thunderstorm. We are going back to Barcelona, so going to have some snacks and coffee at McDonald's just opposite to our Meininger hotel. Finally, time has come to check out the hotel room. We had very comfortable stay here in Meininger hotel and our 3-day trip to Amsterdam was nice and memorable. Enjoyed with family. We took the metro from Amstel station to reach the Amsterdam airport Schiphol. After check-in at 7 p.m. boarded our flight. Reached Barcelona safely at 10 p.m. Joseph Tarradellas Barcelona El Prat Airport. Please like, share, subscribe to my channel. See you soon with another video.